One of my favorite games to play is Super Smash Bros, but I can't afford a Switch or the game, so I'm gonna remake it with ragdolls. So I made a new project, and the first thing I need is the Stickman. So I stole the art from my other video, which you could check out here, and then I put it inside of this one. So now we have the player, which is doesn't do anything. One of the fun things about ragdolls is how they go all over the place, and this is called active ragdolls. And if you don't know what that is, it's just ragdolls but active. So the first thing I need to do is add physics onto each of the limbs. So okay, a couple hours later, I added the walking animation, and now he moves forward slowly. It looks kind of goofy, and that's because it is. So right now, I can only move right, so I added the code to make it move left. Then I also had to make a left walking animation, and it's actually pretty fun to move around. Only thing now is that I can't really jump to the other platforms, so I need to add some physics inside of my code. All right, so here's my movement code. Basically, what it does is get in body, add force. If this is like simple code, if you don't know what this does, you're like really dumb. Wait. What is this? So those red lines on the player make sure that the player can jump, and if you press space, then boom, you can jump. And I also made it so that the player goes wild when he's in the air, like limb. It makes the game pretty fun. So the next thing I needed to do is add melee attacks or weapons. To be honest, I've never actually tried this. I made a Stickman game with guns, but that wasn't really a weapon. It's just shooting bullets. For this game, I'm gonna add some attacks from Smash Bros, like punching, kicking, jumping, air attacks, sliding, basically a long list of things. So I added this sword, and hopefully I should be able to grab it. Let me jump up here. It's so slidey, I can't even get up there. Okay, so I made the camera follow the player, and I also added some code that lets me grab onto things. So let me just jump off of here real quick, and I can hang and swing. And I'm thinking about making other players be able to grab onto them. So next, the sword. So I made it so you can grab the sword and swing. That's kind of weird. I'm just stabbing myself when I swing it backwards. Let me try to fix that. Ignore these errors. Wait, it's still swinging backwards? Really? Why can't I grab onto things? That's not supposed to happen. I have a sword and okay, cut. All right, so I made a sword animation, so this should swing the sword, hopefully not stabbing myself in the process. Let's see. Okay, I know it still swings backwards. What is wrong with this? I rewrote some of the code. Hopefully that should stop it. It's swinging fine. Oh, that's not supposed to happen at all. Okay, so now I'm gonna put multiplayer in the game, and multiplayer is very, very hard. It is a long process of copying code, crying, trying to find code, writing code again, deleting it, crying again, and then having the code not work. I'm gonna be honest, I spent almost 2 weeks trying to figure out how to put multiplayer in the game. I thought I was good at coding, but apparently no. Okay, this is the first test of multiplayer Stick 2D Smash. Part 1, let's see if this works. Oh, Unity decides to crash. Okay, this is trial 15 of trying to get 2 players to spawn into the same game. I have 2 builds open, so 2 players should spawn in. Yes! Okay, we have 2 players. They're not moving, but at least they're in the game. Wait, actually, no. Let me try moving with left arrow. No, right arrow. I'm gonna press right arrow now. What? Okay, the player is moving. It can jump. So I'm praying that the other player can see me moving at the same time. I was having some server issues, so I made this lobby system so we can join different games. So let me press join. That should make a new server. Then on this other build, I should be able to join. There it goes again. The server isn't spawning in the players. What is happening here? Okay, let me show you what's going on. I have 2 games open. One of them is spawning in the players. That's this one. But the server is also supposed to be spawning in the players. And that's what you can see right here. Okay, I think I finally did it. So that's the server. They both have the same amount of players in, and it's syncing the arm movement a little bit. I can move around on the server. Player is syncing. It's not glitching like it was before. Let me open up the other game, and there we go. So it's syncing 2 players at the same time. Finally. This has taken forever. It's a little bit glitchy. You can see when I move on the server, on the other game, it's like lagging me out and teleporting. And when I wave around, it's also glitching out. I think I have to rewrite some code. Okay, a couple hours later, it's still glitching the movement on the other game. I don't know why. It's basically unplayable at this point. I can't do anything. Okay, so it's been at least 3 weeks since I started working on this multiplayer game, and I've been working on this one piece of code for almost half of that time. This code right here. I don't know why. It's been such a struggle to get it to work, but now, finally, the game works. I mean, like, the movement is syncing and everything. I still haven't synced the multiplayer attacks, but I think now that I have this piece of code, everything should work out. Everything is falling into place.